Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. It's your favorite science enthusiast, here to guide you through the fascinating world of cleaning with science. We're about to embark on a myth-busting adventure, uncovering the truth behind common cleaning misconceptions. Get ready to ditch those old wives' tales and embrace the power of evidence-based cleaning practices that really work. Today, we're diving deep into 7 science-backed cleaning hacks that will transform your home into a sparkling oasis of cleanliness. From the chemistry of cleaning agents to the physics of proper ventilation, we'll explore it all. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a cleaner, healthier home, armed with the power of knowledge. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Vinegar. Oh, vinegar! This pantry staple has earned quite the reputation as a cleaning cure-all. But is it really the cleaning superhero it's claimed to be? Well, hold on to your mops, because the truth is a bit more nuanced than that. Vinegar, you see, is acidic. It can cut through grease, dissolve mineral deposits, and even neutralize odors. But here's the catch: that acidity can also be its downfall. Natural stone surfaces like granite and marble, as well as certain types of flooring, are particularly vulnerable to vinegar's acidic bite. So before you go dousing everything in sight with vinegar, remember, knowledge is power. Use it wisely. Baking soda, another household hero often touted for its cleaning prowess. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild alkali with some impressive cleaning properties. Its gentle abrasiveness makes it a whiz at scrubbing away stubborn stains and grime without damaging delicate surfaces. Plus, its deodorizing properties are legendary, making it a go-to for neutralizing unpleasant smells in refrigerators, carpets, and even shoes. However, let's not get carried away. Baking soda isn't a magical cure-all for every cleaning conundrum. Remember, folks, even science has its limits. Hot water, the go-to for everything from a soothing bath to a comforting cup of tea. But when it comes to banishing germs, is hot water enough? Well, my friends, the answer is a resounding not always. While hot water can certainly make quick work of dirt and grime, it's not the germ-slaying superhero we often imagine it to be. So, while hot water is essential for general cleaning, don't rely on it alone to create a truly germ-free environment. Now that we've debunked some common cleaning myths, let's talk about choosing the right cleaning solutions for the task at hand. Just like a mechanic needs the right tools for the job, an effective cleaner needs the right cleaning agents to tackle specific messes. Different surfaces require different cleaning approaches. Delicate surfaces like marble or wood require gentle cleaners, while tougher surfaces like tile or stainless steel can handle more potent solutions. Using the wrong type of cleaner can damage surfaces, leaving them dull, etched, or even permanently stained. Remember, knowledge is power, and using the right cleaning solution for the job will ensure your cleaning efforts are both effective and safe. We often focus on the cleaning products themselves, but there's another crucial element to effective and safe cleaning: ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining healthy indoor air quality and preventing the buildup of harmful fumes from cleaning agents. Many cleaning solutions release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, and may even pose long-term health risks. Adequate ventilation helps to dilute and remove these fumes, protecting you from potential harm. Remember, a breath of fresh air is just as important as a clean surface. Let's talk cleaning tools, shall we? Specifically, those unsung heroes of a sparkling clean home: microfiber cloths. These seemingly simple cloths are anything but ordinary. They're engineered with tiny fibers that are far more effective at picking up dirt, dust, and grime than traditional cleaning materials. Microfiber cloths are woven from incredibly fine synthetic fibers, often hundreds of times thinner than a human hair. These fibers create a vast surface area that acts like a magnet for dirt and grime, trapping them within the cloth rather than just pushing them around. Plus, they're reusable and can withstand hundreds of washes, making them an environmentally friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. Congratulations! You've equipped yourself with the knowledge to debunk cleaning myths and embrace science-backed cleaning practices. Now, let's talk about the key to maintaining a clean and healthy home: consistency. Establishing a consistent cleaning routine will prevent dirt, dust, and grime from accumulating, making your cleaning tasks quicker and easier in the long run. Create a cleaning schedule that works for you and your lifestyle. Remember, A little effort each day goes a long way in maintaining a clean and inviting home. And there you have it, science enthusiasts. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of cleaning, debunking myths, and uncovering the science behind effective cleaning practices. What were your favorite cleaning hacks? Have you fallen prey to any of these cleaning myths? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next episode.